Hello guys, welcome to this video. So in this video I'll show you if you want to turn off or hide these line numbers inside your VS Code while you're programming or developing your application. For some reason, if you don't want the line numbers, you can hide them by using a simple setting. You can go to the user setting file of your by pressing the shortcut key Control Shift P, and then go to your user setting file. So here you can actually add a simple setting here in double quotes editor dot line numbers, and you can toggle this setting. By default it's on. You can toggle this to off. So now what you will see, your line numbers will go away and you will not see the line numbers. So in this easy way you can hide the line numbers, disable them inside your VS Code, and once again if you want to turn this off you can change this to on. So now the line numbers are showing right here. So in this easy way you can show or hide line numbers in VS Code. Go to your settings JSON file, just add this property editor.line numbers, just change it to off, and it is now disabled. Please hit that like button, subscribe the channel, and also check out my website freemediatools.com, which contains thousands of tools.